In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Friends Network Unreachable. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, you need to restart your Steam, so click with your mouse with your right button on taskbar and click on your task manager. In my case it is on Portuguese, but it's the same process. You just need to click on any app right here and press on S. You will come to Steam apps and you need to end all tasks of Steam, okay? All tasks. Then after doing that, you come to your Windows search bar, search for Steam, click with the right button and run as administrator. Come again to your Steam, click at the top left corner on Steam right here and on settings. Here you will see several options, but the option that interests us is account right here, and right here beta participation. Click to change, and if you on your Steam is done, you need to change to Steam beta update. If your in your case is Steam beta update, you need to change to none. Okay. Now, if this doesn't work, you need to update your network adapter driver. So you need to check your driver on your computer from your network. Then you need to update your network adapter driver. If all this doesn't work, you can restart your modem and router. Okay. So you can also check if the problem is on Steam. Generally, this problem occurs on Thursdays. Okay. You need to check if you are on a Thursday. Generally, Steam goes offline to make the platform updates. I hope I help you on how to fix Steam Friends Network Unreachable. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.